Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. And today in Selvin Kitchen, we're gonna do grilled lamb chops. So we're gonna put them in the oven to grill. So we have 4 lamb chops here where we're gonna season up and do. We have some potato here where we wash already and already sliced up. So for the sauce, we have 1 tin of coconut milk. We're gonna use half of white onion, 3 cloves of grated garlic, quarter of green bell pepper, quarter of a red bell pepper, quarter of orange bell pepper, 1 stalk of spring onion. So today in Selvin Kitchen, we're gonna do lamb chops in the grill with mashed potato. So guys, what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna season up the lamb to put it in the oven. So 4 large lamb chops. So we have some homemade season. We have our garlic, our ginger. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna drop some of this in here, just season up it, not a lot, because it's a thick lamb chops. So we're gonna put it around 10 minutes on each side in the oven. Lamb is not really hard to cook. So I'm gonna put everything in the description. You guys can check it out for the homemade season. Just gonna add a little sprinkle of pimento, like a sprinkle of black pepper, a teaspoon of all-purpose season, just gonna rub that in. So I'm just gonna rub this in, season up it, and I'm just gonna make it rest for around half an hour, and then I put it in the oven. Yeah, people. Hi guys, the lamb chops have been marinated for the last 20 minutes. So now I'm just gonna stuck it on this tray to put it in the grill, in the oven. You can smell that ginger, that garlic, that pimento, that scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just gonna give it 10 minutes on each side. So I just put in the lamb in the oven for the last 2 minutes. So now I'm just gonna make the sauce for the lamb. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. So I'm using olive oil today. I'm using corn oil. So half of white chopped onion. So we're just gonna use a tin of coconut milk and just put in a slight little bit of oil in the pot bottle. One stalk of chopped spring onion. Put in my garlic. Bell pepper. Just put in everything at once. A little touch of all-purpose season. A touch of black pepper. my homemade season. I'm just gonna put in a teaspoon. A little bit of salt, a little sprinkle of salt. So I'm just gonna put in some fresh thyme. If you have the dry thyme, you can use the dry thyme as well, or the fresh thyme, anyone.
There's not much to do when all I do is thinking about you not doing well.
Oyster sauce. I'm gonna put in a teaspoon of oyster sauce.
'Cause you're not here. It's
Guys, you want to smell this. I'm gonna put in a tin of coconut milk. Give that a stir. So the coconut milk in it now, so you don't want to turn up the fire, the stove too high. You just turn it down on a medium heat. You want the coconut milk to take time simmer down to boil right down. So I'm gonna give that around 10 minutes. So guys, this is the sauce to go with the grilled lamb. So my coconut milk sauce is coming down nicely. I'll put it over here, it's cooking. This took out the lamb chop out of the oven. Been it for the last 10 minutes. So now I'm just going to spin it, turn it over on the next side. I want to give the next side 10 minutes to cook evenly. Spin it around. So now guys, I'm just going to squeeze some lime. Put the lime all over it. So the sauce is all finished now. So I'm going to put back the lime in the oven for the next 10 minutes. Hi guys, I just take out the lamb chops out of the oven, and look at the people, it's all finished. So today in Selvin kitchen, lamb chop served with mashed potato. So this mash this potato.
There's not much to
Hi guys,
do
this is all finished.
when all I can is thinking about you
Look, beautiful people.
not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
Guys,
It's
this is
been
delicious,
way
I'm
too
telling you.
long.
So guys, if you're watching my video, please take a time out and please subscribe and please share and like the video. Selvin kitchen.
When
Have a lot more recipe coming out.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone.